Okay, we're in the Jeep, and the radio's on, and for some reason, the armrest is singing along. It's kind of like all the harmony parts.
This is the low, like the bass part.
But it's a gorgeous day. It's let's see. Oh, it's 74 degrees, you think? That's what that says?
75.
Oh, 75. I can't read. We got the top off. We've got the harmony making armrest.
Don't drive on that side.
No, that's bad. Don't drive over there. We're headed out to the Garden of the Gods and then to a beach. We're obviously really tracking with what's going on here, so we'll check in with you later.